Once upon a time, in a lush and vibrant meadow, there grew a splendid grove of monarch milkweed. These delicate plants were the proud home to countless monarch butterflies, who traveled thousands of miles each year to seek out these blooms. One day, a curious young deer named Daisy wandered into the meadow, captivated by the vibrant hues of orange and black that danced in the wind. She marveled at their beauty and wondered, why are these plants so special? Eager to learn more, Daisy sought the wisdom of the oldest and wisest tree in the forest, a towering oak named Oaken. Indeed, Daisy, Oaken said, the monarch milkweed is more than just a pretty sight. It is the sole refuge for the monarch butterflies, who rely on its leaves for their very survival. Touched by this revelation, Daisy decided to protect the milkweed grove. However, as the seasons passed, she noticed the once verdant fields beginning to fade. The milkweed plants grew fewer and weaker, with fewer butterflies fluttering among their branches. Determined to save her beloved friends, Daisy sought the help of her forest companions. Together, they rallied against the encroaching threats, the herbicides that threatened their roots, the pesticides that harmed their leaves, and the habitat destruction that drove them from their home. As the forest creatures worked tirelessly to restore the meadow, Daisy learned the importance of preserving the delicate balance in the natural world. The monarch milkweed began to flourish once more, and the once empty grove buzzed with life. Word of Daisy's efforts spread far and wide, and the meadow became a sanctuary for monarch butterflies for generations to come. They would return each year, their vibrant wings lighting up the sky, a testament to the power of unity and the importance of protecting our precious natural world. And so, the tale of the vanishing verdant fields serves as a reminder to us all. Every action we take, no matter how small, can have a profound impact on the world around us. Let us cherish and protect the delicate ecosystems that sustain our planet, for it is our responsibility to ensure that future generations can marvel at the beauty and wonder of the natural world, just as Daisy did. In the end, Daisy's kindness and determination saved the monarch milkweed and taught us all an important moral. Our actions have consequences, and it is our duty to leave the world a better place for those who come after us.